Hi guys, I'm Nidhi and today I'm going to share new makeup techniques you need to try in 2024. Before we begin, subscribe to our Be Beautiful channel and ring the bell icon for further notifications. The first trend is to help achieve a flawless base. The thought behind this trend is to reverse the order of applying base products. Here's how to do it. Start by lightly dabbing the Lakme Absolute Loose Finishing Powder all over your face, ensuring not to overdo it. Pay attention to the crevices around your nose, eyes and mouth. Next up, spritz your face with the tried and true the Lakme Absolute Made to Last setting spray, followed by a thin layer of Lakme Absolute Skin Dew Serum Primer. Finally, apply the Lakme Absolute Luminous Skin Tint Foundation. Layering powder, then setting spray, followed by primer and foundation helps the base adhere to the skin better while controlling shine, smoothing any texture or bumps. The second makeup trend you should give a shot is the L-shaped blush hack. The key is to ensure your thumb sits at the outer edge of your nose and that your hand creates a sort of a right angle shape. The negative space between your hand and your face that will allow you to create that lifted look. So for the blush, I will use the Lakme Absolute Sheer Velvet Matte Cheek Mousse Blush. Simply place your hand against your face in an L shape with your thumb touching the outer corner of your nose and apply the blush within that space. This blush is super light and easy to layer, giving your cheeks a sheer, natural flush. Using this technique helps create a fresh and lifted effect. The final trend is the Douyin Lip trend. The thought behind this trend is to create a blurred, stained effect for fuller looking lips. To achieve this, you'll need a concealer and two different shades of lipsticks. Start by applying the concealer around the lips and below the nose. I'm using the Lakme 9 to 5 Matte to Glass Liquid Lip in the shade Fuchsia Pink. Apply a lip shade that matches your natural lip color on the periphery of the lips. Now, take the darker lip color. For this, I am applying the Lakme 9 to 5 Matte to Glass Liquid Lip in the shade Bold in red and create a T on the lower lip and an M on the upper lip. Add a layer of gloss and there you have it. So guys, I hope you like these trends. Do try it out. Before you leave, like, share and subscribe to our Be Beautiful channel and ring the bell icon for further notifications. Bye.